Hello, dear Capricorn. A very, very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Capricorn out there, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 1st of June till 10th of June. So, yeah, please keep in mind that these are journal of readings. This might or might not resonate with you. Okay, if it doesn't, don't abuse me, and if it is resonating with you, please let me know in the comment section. It will give me a boost, okay, to do your readings again and again in a beautiful manner. So, let's see what is coming towards you, Capricorn, till 10th of June. Let's start with your partner's current energy. Your partner's current energy, Capricorn, is okay. I think I'm looking fine. I don't know. I'm not much into fashion and all that. So let's see. Your partner's current energy right now, Capricorn, is Eight of Swords. I feel like your partner is in conflicting state of mind. They might be not talking to you. They are emotionally very very off, creating the walls of hell for them. Okay, so this person is feeling like everything is finishing, everything is going to an end, everything is not working for me, every fucking thing is against me. They are like right now in mental jail. They are in some kind of conflict in their life, and they are not at in this happy energy at all. So this is some kind of blindfold that they are carrying right now on their eyes, and they're not trying to come out of the situation, but they can easily come out of the situation. They have created a self made jail in their mind. Or it could also be possible for for 1% of you, like this person is in a literal jail. Okay, the jail crime behind the bars. Let's clarify let's clarify the Empress, the Knight of Wands, and the Temperance. Oh, Empress and Temperance. Empress and Temperance. Fuck. Okay. So I feel like this person wants to be independent. This person wants to look good. This person feels like they're very, very, very passionate about you. Very, very passionate about their life in general. And they are trying to do so many things at the one time, at once. Okay, and that is why they are right now feeling very, very conflicted. Like universe is slapping them in the face, and everything is against them. Okay, so I feel like this person wants to show you that they are really very very happy. And give me a second. Yeah, so this person wants to show you that they are really very very happy, and they are very very passionate about everything that they are doing in their life right now. And they are trying to be very very patient. They are trying to be very very they are trying to resist the temptation, and they are just trying to be very patient with their life right now. Okay, but they're trying to make you fool. Okay, they're trying to make you feel like they're really very happy. They are going through heaven, and they are like walking in heaven, and all the things are working out in their favor. But the opposite is true. They are very very afraid of starting a new life. They are very very afraid and scared that what will happen to their future, what will happen to their life regarding their emotional life. I'm telling you. Okay, mask, wearing a mask. Let's see, what is your current energy, Capricorn? Your current energy right now is Eight of Pentacles. I feel like Capricorn, you're busy making money. This is the thing. You're busy in your business. You're busy in your job. You are busy in making your own money. You are, working really very very hard to attain the money, to grab the money, to attain your wealth, to you know gather your wealth. So it is basically all about money making right now. It could also be possible that something else is going on. We will clarify. But most of the times, for most part of the Capricorns, I feel like you guys are right now focused on your business, your money, your career. Okay, this is what you're doing right now. This is a good thing, right? Fixed signs anyways are very very interested in materialistic things, and I'm also a fixed sign, so I can relate to it. Yeah. So I feel like you're very, very confused whether to talk to this person, whether to have this communication or not, and you're turning your back for the time being towards this particular person. Okay, right now you're very, very confused. Might be you have lots of options in your life, might be more than two options in your life, might be you are just confused between whether I should, take charge of my personal life, or should I take charge of my professional life. And you are, you are confused whether I should communicate with this person or not, whether I should start conversation, or whether if the person if the person is coming towards you, they're texting you whether I should answer them or not. So hell lot of confusion is going on in your mind, and that is why right now you're taking a break from this emotional trauma, and you're turning your back towards them, and you're busy making money, and you're busy making your empire, making your business work. Okay, this is what you guys are doing right now, Capricorn. This is your current energy, good energy. I want this as well, money. Let's see. Let's see what this person feels for you, Capricorn. Let's see what this person feels for you. Let's see what this person feels for you, Capricorn. Two of Wands. Okay, I told you this person is right now in this kind of jail or something like. They are just waiting for you. This person is desperately waiting for you. Okay, they are looking towards the world, and they have decided that what they want in their life, and plus they are waiting for you. But they are waiting for something to happen very, very eagerly. We will check out whether it's for you or something else. Let's see. This person is waiting for something to happen very, very eagerly, Capricorn. Let's see. Okay, let's see. This is the King of Pentacles, this is the Sun, and this is again the Eight of Swords. This is their current energy. You remember, Eight of Swords, and this came out in their feelings as well, Eight of Swords. So I feel like this person is waiting for the right time to settle down and bring in the happiness. Okay, but again, they are very, very conflicted. This person wants to see, this is the story now. This person wants to come towards you with a stable energy, with a committed energy, and they feel like you are their happiness. You really made them happy. You could be dealing with a Leo, by the way. So this person feels like you really make them very, very happy, and they wants to come towards you, and they are waiting for you very, very eagerly. But again, they are waiting because they feel like there is conflict in this relationship. What if we will reject them, or what if that will happen, or what if this shit will happen, what if this is not going to work out again, and all that shit. So right now this person is turning their back. Right now this person is waiting very, very eagerly, because deep down they are feeling like there should be a beginning in this connection. I should give this person another chance, or I want this person in my life because they are my happiness. They make me feel really stable. But right now they are very eagerly waiting for you to go towards them. Yeah, ego, baba. Sometimes it is ego, and sometimes it is fear. Okay, that keeps people away from each other, and in most of the cases the ego wins. Please don't let your ego win. You will lose the person, and it will hurt you eventually. Let's see. So let's see what is that they want from you. So what is this person wants from you is what this person wants from you. Nine of Wands. So this person wants you to come out of this hurtful situation. I feel like you guys had a conflict, very bad conflict with each other. You are also hurt. This person is also hurt. But you are hurt. Again, you are hurt, but you are standing your own ground. Okay, you are hopeful that everything is going to be fine with me, and I will handle this shit. And this is not more than life, or not more important than life, or not more important than my career, or something like that. So they want you to come out of this hurtful situation, come out, lower down your walls, because you are also emotionally off towards this particular person, and this person wants you to come out of this hurtful situation and talk to them. This is what they want, to have a clear cut communication, honest and open communication with you. Let's clarify. Let's clarify. Nine of Wands. Okay, okay. See, yes, this person wants you to come out of this emotionally off state, to come out of this crossroad situation, and they want to have brand new beginning with you, victorious, successful beginning with you, and they eventually want you to propose to them and tell them that you love them and you want to have a good future with them. This is what they want to listen from your side. Okay, Capricorn. Oh dear. So this person is waiting for you very eagerly. I got it. But this person wants you to propose to them. Even if I feel like this person hurted you, this is weird, but this is what they want from you. Okay, they want you to come out of this crossroad situation, closed off situation, and want to have a brand new beginning with you, victorious and successful. And they want you to leave the past behind, okay, and start all over again with the successful and beautiful energy. And eventually they want to have a future with you. They want to have a long term committed relationship with you, if not married or couple relationship with you. But yes, long term committed relationship that they want is what they want. So yeah, this person wants to come out of your shell, come out of your emotionally off situation, and talk to them, and eventually talk about the future. And I feel like somewhere deep down they feel like you should propose to them, and you should, assure them that yes, this is a long term relationship and we are going to be together for a very long term. I don't know why I'm laughing like idiots, but sometimes other person's energy make me feel like that. Yeah. So let's see, Capricorn, what to expect from this person till 10th of June. What to expect from this person till 10th of June, Capricorn. What to expect from this person till 10th of June. Yeah. Oops, fight. So they want they want you to do everything. Okay, they want you to do every work and put in the effort, put in the energy, propose them, talk to them, blah blah blah, everything. Because I feel like this person is coming towards you and they are wearing a mask. I told you, their energy is of wearing a mask, and they are making you fool by making you feel like they are very very happy and they don't need you and all that bullshit, because they want you to be jealous or something like that, or possessive or something like that. But I feel like this person is coming towards you with a conflicting energy, and you guys will fight with each other. So this person is going to fight with you. I'm not sure it is like the fight for you. It is like a fight with you. So yeah, this is kind of ego battle thing. So right now I feel like this person is being very very egoistic, and this person wants to come towards you, but their ego is making them feel like, no, I don't want to go towards this particular person. Why should I go to this person? But eventually they will come to you and they will fight with you, and they want to win the ego battle with you. Yeah, this is what is coming towards you till 10th of June. Prepare yourself. Okay. Okay, let's see if you're here to listen to the end. So yeah, this is resonating with you, so this is coming towards you. Okay, so this person feels like you are their wish fulfillment. They want to have a brand new beginning. They want to have a passionate beginning in this connection again. But again, their mind is, their intuition is blocked. Though they are concealing their feelings, they are hiding their feelings, and they're, just trying to defend themselves. Like, I don't love you. I don't need you much in my life. If you want to go, if you can go. This is the kind of energy they are going to, show you. But deep down, they really, really need you. They really feel like you are their happiness, you are their wish fulfillment. But they have lots of subconscious fears going on. You could be dealing with a cancer. I don't know why I'm getting a cancerian vibe here. So I feel like you are dealing with a cancerian here. Yeah, they have lots of subconscious fears going on. What if this person is going to reject me? Okay, what if this is not going to work out? What if yeah, they will come to know that I love them? What if that? What if that? What if so I feel like this person is coming towards you and have a battle with you, have a conflict with you, have ego battle with you. But deep down, this person wants you back, and they want you to propose to them and talk to them and clear the air and clear every misunderstanding. And I don't feel like you are going to do that. Okay, Capricorn. I feel like, because I being a fixed sign myself, if I made my mind for something, I will follow it till my death. And Capricorns are somewhat same like Tauruses. So, so Capricorn, thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. And this is Anjali Tarot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section if this is your story, and we guys will have some kind of chit chat on that. Namaste. Thank you.